Hello everyone and welcome to How to Professional. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Snapchat support code SS06. To resolve issues with Snapchat, the first step is to go to the Play Store or App Store if using an iOS device. Search for Snapchat in the search bar and hit enter. Once the app opens, check if there is an update available. If there is, update the app immediately, as this will most likely solve the problem. If you have the opportunity to enroll in better programs, it is recommended to do so in order to access the latest features. If updating the app does not fix the issue, go to the settings on your phone and click on App Management. From there, go to the app list, which may take a few seconds to load. Search for Snapchat, either by scrolling down to the bottom or using the search bar. Click on the app and then force stop it. After force stopping the app, go to storage usage and clear the cache. If this step does not fix the problem, then clear the data, which will remove unnecessary files within the mobile application for Snapchat. If this process resolves your issue, don't forget to hit the like button. However, if you still experience problems, make sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for future videos.